Hi, welcome RiverScene magazine fans. I'm Reagan with Go Lake Havasu and the Hospitality Association, and we're here at the Sarah Park Rodeo Grounds getting ready for Havasu Top Chef.
And I'm Angela, and we are here to invite you out on April 6th. It's a Thursday. Gates open at 4:30 for early entry, 5:30 for general admission. And come on out and join us. Reagan's going to tell us who our competitors are this year.
So for the cooking competition, we have Angelina's Italian Kitchen, Nico's, Summer Rae, Sweet Breeze Crepes, College Street Brew House, the Boathouse Grill, Mud Shark Brewery, and Savories.
And we also have People's Choice this year. We have Angelina's joining us, Nico's, Summer Rae, Boathouse, Mud Shark, Hangar 24, Wild Coffee, Stoney's Grill, as well as Stevens Tacos. We also have another addition this year to Top Chef, and Reagan's going to tell us a little bit about it.
We have a mixology competition. So we have 4 local bartenders going to be mixing their world famous drink for some of our judges to pick Lake Havasu's top mixologist. So we have Nico's, Shay Bones, Rickety Cricket, and Adrian from BJ's.
Yep, and we welcome you to come on out. Make sure to get your tickets at lakehavasu.hospitality.com or go straight to Eventbrite. We really look forward to all of you joining us this year at the rodeo grounds. Come on out and have a great time with us.
And we'd like to thank all of our sponsors, specifically Shamrock Food Service and Alsco. And for those that don't know, the Lake Havasu Hospitality Association works to educate and advocate for Lake Havasu City and the hospitality industry. And we give scholarships to MCC, WAVE, and ASU.
Come on out.